respected presiding officer below district governor, our past district governors, future leaders of our district, vice district governor 1 and 2, and proud members of this organization, Lions, brothers and sisters. Namaste. I thank each one of you for supporting me and giving me an opportunity to serve the district as a district governor for the forthcoming Lion District year 2020-2021. I also congratulate my DGT member, Lion Vishwanath Shetty, and the newly elected Vice District Governor too. And I am very much thankful to all the past district governors for their philanthropic service throughout the year. My kudos to District Governor Lion VG Shetty for organizing the district convention in a very modest manner. My dear friends, passion in my heart, truthfulness in my work, and desire to reach out to the society will enhance my experience as I take oath to work with you for the betterment of the village. With this opening remark, I am very proud to present my vision, mission, district logo, district program, and district core cabinet members for the Lion District year 2021. Due to the lack of time, I am unable to present the entire team, but this is the beginning of the year with a positive attitude. We have already seen district pin. The pin itself shows that we have to take the Lionism to the greater height. The Kirita, the great Karavali, rich heritage Yakshagana, and I have given a district slogan, make a difference. Make a difference. Make a difference. ಪರಿವರ್ತನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ. ಪರಿವರ್ತನೆ ನಮ್ಮಿಂದಲೇ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಜಗದ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ಧಾರಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಸೇವಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಾದ ಲಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಸದಸ್ಯರಾದ ನಾವು ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಜಗತ್ತಿನ ಪರಿವರ್ತನೆಗೆ ನಾಂದಿಯನ್ನು ಹಾಡೋಣ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶ. Now the entire district program foundation, be it known that I am a civil engineer who has always strengthened the substructure first and designing the superstructure. Likewise, it is time to strengthen the foundation of this land through humanitarian service. District program foundation, each and every word is having its own meaning. Feed the hunger, optic care, eye donation, sight trust, unity and national integration, nature conservation, dream for legacy of permanent projects, agriculture and rural development, total health care, importance to the new voice and women empowerment, organizing the blood donation camps, and foremost important project for the particular scenario, novel coronavirus rapid action. All these together, combinedly, we consider the foundation. Now I come to the very important team, the district governor team for the year 2021, consisting of immediate past district governor for a 2021 Lion VG Shetty, the first vice district governor, my good friend and my guiding force, Lion Vishwanath Shetty, and second vice district governor, Lion KC Veerabhadra. The district mentor, administrative chief mentor, Lion D. Sridharshanama, past district governor. District chief consultant administration, Lion Suhas Hegde from Lions Club of Belmont. District administrative team headed by District Cabinet Secretary Lion T.G. Acharya, and he will be associating by Lion S. Sadanand Bhatt and Lion K. Srikant Kamath. District finance team headed by the charter member of my own company, Lion Dr. Prakash Atma, and he will be supporting by Lion K. Mukund Kamath, Lion Sadanand Shettigar, and Lion Ramanand Shettigar. District marketing officer and ambassador for environment is none other than past president of Lions Club of Belmont, Lion Prakash Chandra. The district ambassador for district convention and conference and my guiding force, Lion Arun Kumar Hegde, Lions Club Malalli Shivshanti. District cabinet chief coordinator, Lion B. Sitaram Bhatt, and district image building officer ambassador for Java Mela, the district past cabinet secretary, Lion Sanjeev T. Kharkera. District LCIF team will be looked after by Lion Gopal C. Bangeras and district ambassador for LCIF, and he will be associating by 4 very eminent coordinators, Lion Harsha Shetty, Lion Vasant Shetty, Lion Prakash Betty, and Lion R.G. Srinivasa Murthy. District GMT and GLT coordinator is like a lava push of the Lion District 317C, Lion Jason Dayar, Lions Club of Santekatte, and Lion Sunil Salyan, Lions Club of Udupi Royal, who is a past cabinet secretary of the District 317C. District GST coordinators, Lion Dr. M.K. Bhatt and Lion Engineer Ratnakar Shetty. District co-chairperson for GAT is Lion M.R. Girish, from Lions Club of Shiralkoppa and line Satish Shetty from Lions Club of Ambalapadi. District Program Coordinator Foundation will be headed by line Uday Kumar Shetty, Lions Club of Pidulkatte and line KS Vedamurthy from Lions Club of Shiralkoppa. Chief Coordinator for Pooling, CQI and CEP will be headed by line Engineer Ramanand K from Lions Club of Kundapura and District Ambassador Press and Media line Ravindraji Acharya. Chief Editor, District Director and Lines Today, line K. Jairam Acharya Saligrama, and the Associate Director is line J. Lakshmi Ami, and the Chief Editor for E-Communication, E-Bulletin and the Lines website is line Kishore K. Quest team will be Felicitator and the Consultant line Raviraj Nayak, and the Quest Coordinators for the District line Rashikesh Shegde, line K. Ananda Shetty, line Bellodi Shivakumar. District Chief Coordinator for Celebrations and Pro Kabaddi will be looked after by line Ranjan Kalkura, and Chief Ambassador for Event and Women Empowerment will be looked after by line Sadhana Kini. Ambassador International Grants, CSR projects and Lions information will be looked after by the very senior eminent lion, the Bhishma of the Line District 317C, line Dr. Haladi Ganesh Pai. Ambassador Scrapbook and Forecast will be looked after by line Chandra Suvarna, line Sabak Tarkar. Chief Coordinator for Peace Poster Arts and Crafts will be looked after by line Shalini Di Mangera and line Irene D'Souza. Ambassador for International President Program will be headed by line A.S. Segde and line Dr. H.G. Jayappa. Cabinet Coordinator for Shivamogga, Chitradurga and Davangere District, line E.D. Sridhar and Udupi District will be looked after by, and he is also in charge for rainwater harvesting, line Praveen Kumar. District Ambassadors, very senior lions, line M.B. Puttaswamy Gowda and line V.T. Hegde. District Crime Project Heritage will be headed by line Mahesh Hegde and line T.R. Suresh. District Ambassador for Community Service and Lions Premier League Cricket and Volleyball, line Rajiv Kotya. Chief Ambassador for Drinking Water Project, line Ravi Kiran D. Costa. Pilots, Rapid Action for COVID-19 and Child Healthcare will be headed by three eminent doctors, like Dr. Ashok Kumar YG, like Dr. Umesh Bhatt, and like Dr. S.I. Birada. Chief Ambassador for Pachanadu and Nammanadu will be headed by line V. Chandrasa Shetty and line Malyadi Sitaram Shetty. Ambassador for Sangama will be headed by the very senior and very eminent past region chairperson line Gopinath Bhatt, and he will be associated by line Jyoti Shanava and line Suresh P. Kutsar. Chief Coordinator for New Voice and Women Membership will be headed by line Mallika Ashok Shetty, line Shati Giri and line Shobha M. Hegde. Chief Ambassador Growth and Retention, very young and energetic two pillars, line V. Mithun R. Hegde and line Nagaraj Gowda. Chief Ambassador for Special Sports, line Shweta Jayakashetty Indradi, and Service to the Special Smile, line Muhammad Mola. Ambassador International Photo and Essay Contest, line S. Shivamurthy, and Chief Ambassador Make a Difference, line Shashikumar R. Shetty. Chief Ambassador for Sports and Games will be headed by line Siddharaju and line Harish Subban. Chief Ambassador for Cultural Ambassadors, line Harish Naik, line Vaijayanti Karan and line Jagannath Kadekar. Chief Ambassador for Janapada Loka and Yakshagana, line T.G. Chandrappa and line Girija Shivarama Shetty Kalu. Chief Ambassador Yoga and Naturopathy will be headed by line Dr. N.T. Anchan and line Vasudev Raika. Chief Ambassador for Music Academy, line Dr. Satish Pujari, and Vision Care and Sight First, line Dr. Narendra Bhatt. Chief Ambassador Specialty Club and Campus Club, line K. Pandurang Achar and line Hamjad HK. Chief Ambassadors RC and ZC Forum, line Mohan MP, and Chief Ambassador District Rally and Traffic Awareness, line Nandakishore K. District Leo team will be headed by one of the senior most and very active, young and very capable line, and the present cabinet treasurer, none other than line Sapna Suresh, is going to be the district Leo ambassador, and she will be associated by Leo coordinator for extension, line Gerald Fernandez. My young and energetic Leo team, Leo Ainish Miranda from Leo Club of Ranganpalke, and will be assisting by district Leo secretary, line Leo Ashish Managers and Leo Sherlina D. Almeida. District Leo pin, emerge, we are future. Emerge, we are the future is the district Leo pin for 2021. and district communication address. Along with this, I am very proud to announce that the Lion District Office 2021 will be at Belmont in my hometown, Kaveri Shri Durga Parameshwari Temple Road, Sudhindra Nagara, Belmont, Karkala Taluk, Udupi District, Karnataka. And the contact number for the district office is 98800506 94484747731. Email ID lions LIONS 317C 2020@gmail.com. District website www.lionsdist317c.com. The greatest leader is not necessarily the one who does the greatest things. He is the one that gets the people to do the greatest thing. The leader is one who knows the way, goes away, shows the way. Let us all pledge to serve and commit to the ministry with extreme gratitude. And I will work with each one of you to make the Lionism achieve a greater height with a slogan, make a difference. Thank you. Long live Lionism. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ.